Good day! In this video, we are going to try and solve the question in the Numeracy 2022 Pilot Assessment paper. This paper is called Use Maths and Stats to Meet the Numeracy Demand of a Range of Situations. The paper number is 32406. As mentioned before, you need to get certain outcome 1 and certain number of outcome 2 and 3 to be able to pass this paper. The unit standard is only achieve or not achieve, and if you pass them, you get achieve, you get 10 credits. So without further ado, let's do question 7a. So this is question 7a of the internal. So the question sounds like this. Okay, so Mazaya wants to buy a pair of breezy shoes. She visits Soul Train, her local shop in Whanganui. Mazaya also looks at two online shopping sites. It's called Quick and Rainforest. So Soul Train, the normal price is $180, and this month there is an offer of 25% off. So to calculate that, we're going to calculate 0.75 because she's paying 75%. 75% means 75 over 100. That's why 0.75 multiplied by the normal price of $180, and the amount is going to be $135. Okay. How about Rainforest? Rainforest, the price is $95, but there is a shipping cost of $37. When you add them up, 95 plus 37, the amount is $132. So the question sounds like this. Mazaya wants the best deal, but also likes to buy local if she can. What place should she buy from? Explain your answer using the information provided. So as you look at, All Quick is 120, Soul Train is 135, and Rainforest is 132. So All Quick is the cheapest at 120, and Soul Train is the most expensive at 135. If he wants to buy local and pick up immediately without waiting for delivery, so delivery can be up to 3 weeks, 4 weeks, or even sometimes longer, then he should choose Soul Train for $15 more, because 135 minus 120, for $15 more, he can get the item immediately, and there's no problem about delivery in the other two online stores, the Quick and Rainforest. So that is outcome number 3. The whole question here is going to be outcome number 3, and we shall look at question part B of 7b. Okay, so part B 7b sounds like this. Okay, so we are going to bring it here. Okay, so hopefully we can read the question. So if Mazaya orders the shoe online, she will take 6 to 8 weeks for them to arrive. It is now in mid-July. What is the earliest she can expect the shoes to arrive? So mid-July could be maybe 15th of July. So we put in mid-July, and 6 weeks to 8 weeks. So the earliest it can come is 6 weeks. Okay, 6 weeks is about 1.5 months. Okay, so if you are in mid-July, it will be end of July, the half month, and another month will be end of July, late August. So it could either be late August or it could be early September, depending on when is the mid-July. If mid-July is after the 15th, most likely it's early September. If mid-July is before the 15th of July, then it will be late August. So if you can answer that, that is option number 3 again, and that is how you answer question 7b. Now we look at the last question. The last question is also option 3, and we shall read the question. Okay, so in the 3 surveys 10 years apart, so you have 2001, 2011, 2021. So so the bottom line is the 2011, the middle line is the 2011. Sorry, the bottom line is 2001, middle line is 2011, and the top line, the black line, is the 2021. So an article discussing the survey's results state it is clear from the data that by the year 2031, New Zealand adults will mostly shop online. This could mean the end of the retail stores in New Zealand. Do you agree? Explain your answer using information from the graph. So we shall bring it up a bit. Okay, so we are going to agree with the statement because New Zealand adults will mostly shop online. Okay, from the graph above, okay, the percentage of people shopping online often and always, the top 2 category. Okay, you can see in 2001, okay, 2001, the bottom line, if you add these two numbers here, between 2 and then here about 8, the amount is about 10%. In 2021, the black line here, this will be about 8% and this about 42%. Add up these two numbers, 8 and 42, is going to be over 50% in 2021. So you can see the number of people who have shopped online often and always has increased from 10% in 2001 here to 50% in 2021. So by 2031, I would reckon that the percentage of people shopping online will be a lot higher than 50%, and that's why I agree to the statement that New Zealand adults will mostly shop online, and that this could mean the end of the retail stores in New Zealand. So again, if you can answer this is option 3, and that is how you answer question 7. So watch for question 8 in the next video. Cheers everyone, and have a good day.